Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Ordinary Glycolipid Cream Cleanser, which is suitable for all skin types, can be used daily in the morning and or evening to effectively break down any excess oil, dirt and sweat from the skin, as well as light water-soluble sunscreen and or makeup. And it keeps the skin well hydrated, which ensures proper skin barrier functioning. Now you can apply this cleanser to dry or wet skin. Overall, it's about your personal preference. However, I feel like that when trying to break down your sunscreen and or makeup, it works better when doing so on dry skin and then later on rinse it off with water. Now I'm going to show you the demonstration of how you can apply to dry skin and then take it off with water, including some little tips in between, and then later on an example skincare routine as well. Now either go ahead, leave your skin dry, or now would be the time to wet your face and hands using lukewarm water to warm water, but avoid hot water, otherwise it may dry out your skin. And then when using your cleanser, dispense about a coin size amount onto the palm of your hand or your fingertips. About that much. And then rub your hands together and then massage it all over your face and neck for about 30 seconds if you are going to apply to bare skin, or about 2 minutes if needed if you're trying to break down your sunscreen and or makeup. You can use the cleanser around the eyes as well as on top of your lip. Just make sure to not get it into your eyes nor into your mouth. Once you have massaged it all over, now it's the time to rinse it off with water. When washing your face above the sink, using your hands alone may sometimes not be enough, and you can still find some last traces of your cleanser, sunscreen and or makeup. And this is where I recommend using a soft, clean washcloth, which you're going to wet, squeeze it out, and then use the damp washcloth to remove the last traces that you may have missed, such as around the hairline, maybe around your eyes, or even on top of your lip, to ensure that everything comes properly off the skin. Then rinse again. And now take a clean towel and gently pat all over to remove the excess water drops from the skin surface to ensure proper layering, absorption and avoiding skin sensitivities when then continuing with the rest of your skincare routine. Once you're done with your cleansing step, you can stop right here and leave it as it is, or continue with your usual morning or evening skincare routine. However, if you're currently trying to set up a skincare routine using mainly the Ordinary products, the ORDAF application can be quite confusing, as well as what's going to conflict and what doesn't. And based on that, I have prepared for you an example morning and evening skincare routine where I already took care of the conflicts. So all what you need to do is then pick the right treatments for your individual skin concerns. For the morning skincare routine, you're getting started with washing your face using the Ordinary Glycolipid Cream Cleanser. After that, you can see the optional steps, which are already in the correct ORDAF application. Just make sure to pick the right treatments for your needs. And then, if you have sun exposure during the day, I highly recommend following with your sunscreen afterwards to protect the skin from the damaging UV rays. As for your evening skincare routine, remember there is no sunscreen needed. However, you may need to adjust your cleansing step based on the sunscreen and or makeup that you have worn throughout the day. For example, mineral sunscreen or waterproof makeup are usually a bit more stubborn to remove, and this is where I recommend using an oil or balm cleanser at first to properly break everything down, and then if still needed, use the Glycolipid Cream Cleanser to not only maybe taking off the residue that the oil or balm cleanser has given continue, but also any last traces of sunscreen and or makeup that you may have missed, and to maintain your skin's hydration. And then after that, you can follow on with your specific treatments, and then your oil and or moisturizer can be the last step if you want to include such products. And then there you have it. Below the example routines, you can see the overall general guide of how you would use the individual products and how much you would need to use of them. And if you want to recreate the morning and or evening skincare routine at home, but you wonder what products that I have picked and what they specifically do for you, it's all in the PowerPoint. After the example routines, you'll find a product description box part, which lists all the products that I have emphasized with a description next to it, what they do for you and for whom they are suitable, so that you know exactly what to choose. And then after that, you'll find a general skincare tips guide, like how to properly wash your face to avoid skincare pilling, layering tips, order of application from The Ordinary, and then lastly a sunscreen application and removal guide. It's all in the PowerPoint, and you'll find it in the description box down below, and you can even save the PowerPoint to your device. And this is what I wanted to share with you. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did so, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you want to see more educational skincare content, it's all on my YouTube channel. So go and check it out, and I will see you there. Happy skincaring!